Okay, this video is on how to reset your oil light. Real sweet, real short. Uh, Follow me. Let's go in. Excuse me, my wife is driving. She's short, chiquita. Now you're gonna get a message up here in the left-hand corner. It's gonna say change engine oil. If you can see that. Now how you reset it. Now I don't have the buttons on the steering wheel, or normally they come on the steering wheel on the left hand side where you got most of your little gadgets to turn the mirror and whatnot. But this one is real simple. So what you're gonna do is cut the car to on, so where you see everything on, and you're gonna pump the gas 3 times. One, make sure it goes all the way down to the floor 3 times. And you're gonna step on the brake, and you're gonna see the engine oil light blink. Keep holding, and it's gonna go off. And that's how you reset the oil light. And just to make sure it's reset, cut the car on. And it's off. Thank you guys for tuning in to the Bullet Solano channel. Hopefully I made the job that much more easier for you. I appreciate you guys. Thank you for checking out the new video. Make sure all the new people that are checking out the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Let's start something amazing. See you guys later.